In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding friends to your countdown on Snapchat. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device to initiate the friend adding process. Step 2. Locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture positioned at the top left of the screen to access your profile settings. Step 3. Scroll down within the profile settings until you find the Countdowns section. Tap on View All under Countdowns to see the list of countdowns available. Step 4. Select the specific countdown to which you want to add friends. Step 5. Once you've chosen the countdown, tap on Edit to enter the editing mode for that countdown. Step 6. In the editing mode, navigate to the second field, where you can add new friends to the countdown. Step 7. Mark the friends you wish to add to the countdown. Once you've made your selections, proceed by tapping on Next. Step 8. To confirm and save the changes, tap on Confirm. This final step will add the selected friends to the countdown successfully. By following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance your countdown experience on Snapchat by adding friends to your countdowns. Enjoy connecting with your friends through this feature and stay organized with your upcoming events and milestones.